Hello and welcome back to ENG Engine, and my name is Bharati. In the previous video, we understood how adjectives and adverbs take different forms to denote the degree of noun. In this video, let us learn the rules to be used in the positive, comparative and the superlative degree. In the positive degree, we use as plus adjective or adverb plus as. That is, in the positive degree, in the positive sentence, that is, the sentence should be positive. If the sentence is positive, we use as plus either adjective or the adverb plus as. So it goes like as sweet as. The sweet is an adjective. So as sweet as long as. Again, this long is an adjective. So as long as. Let us see how we use this in a sentence. Milk is as white as snow. So milk is one noun and snow is another noun. So white is the adjective which describes these two nouns. So milk is as white as snow. So we use this as here and again as here. So this is the basic rule for the positive degree. The next sentence, Rose is as beautiful as lotus. So again, as, this beautiful is an adjective and we have used as again. So this as adjective or adverb plus as we use in the positive sentence in the positive degree. Next, in the positive degree, if the sentence is negative, we have already learnt about negative sentences. A negative sentence is a sentence which has a negative word. The negative words like not, no, never, all these are negative words. If a sentence has a negative word, we use so. So if the sentence is a positive, we use as adjective. If the sentence is negative, we use so plus adjective or adverb plus as. So not, that is a negative word, not so short as. The short is an adjective. Again, not so, this not is the negative word, so hard as. This hard is again an adjective. Let us see the usage in sentence. The horse is not so tall as giraffe. So the negative word we get here not. Since it is the negative word, we use so. Tall. Tall is the adjective here and again as. Next sentence, cake is not so sweet as honey. Again, cake is not. So this not is the negative word. So we use so. Sweet as. So if the sentence is positive, we use as adjective as. If the sentence is negative, that is if the word not appears in the sentence, we use so adjective as. So this is the positive degree. Next, comparative degree. In the comparative degree, we use either adjective or the adverb plus we add er to them. Then we use than. This is very important in the comparative degree. In the comparative degree, because we compare one thing to the other. So when we compare, we use than. Otherwise, the sentence will go incomplete. So cooler, so the school is adjective. We use this er form, that is this er form. Then we have used than. Cooler than what? Something. Next, faster. This fast is adverb. So we have used er. Faster than something. Let us see this in the sentence. Tiger runs faster than an elephant. So tiger runs, this is adverb because this fast is describing the verb. Runs is the verb. So the fast is describing the verb. So it is adverb. So we have added er, than as per the rule, and elephant. So something after than we get some noun. or pronoun. Next, the giraffe is taller than a horse. So the giraffe is taller. Tall is an adjective. So we add er. Then as per the rule of the comparative degree, we use than. Then what? A horse. So we bring a noun here again. This is comparative degree. So for comparative degree, we use adjective or adverb plus er plus than. Not all the adjectives or adverb will accept the er form. In that case, if the adjective or adverb do not accept the er form, then we use more in the comparative degree. So more plus adjective or the adverb plus than. Again, this than is very important in the comparative degree. So more beautiful. We cannot add er. We already saw in the previous video about how the adjective changes forms. These are multi-syllable words, so we use more. More beautiful than, more useful than. So how we use this in the sentence? Peacocks are more beautiful than parrots. So we cannot use er here, so we use more. Then beautiful, this is the adjective. Than, this is very important in the comparative degree. Then what? Parrots. So we bring a noun after than. Next, iron is more useful than plastic. Again, we cannot add er to useful, so we use more. This is adjective, more useful than. Then what? Plastic. So for the comparative degree, we use either adjective plus er plus than or more plus adjective or adverb plus than. Next, superlative degree. In the superlative degree, we are giving the highest level of the degree. So we use the. It gives something particularly it mentions. So we use the. So the plus adjective or adverb plus we add est to the adjective or the adverb. So the cool. Cool is the adjective and we have added est. This est we have added. Next, the fastest. The fast is the adverb and we have added this est. Let us see the sentence for this. Simla is the coolest place. So Simla is the. Then cool is the adjective. We add est, place. Okay, this describes that Simla is very cold. There is no any other place colder than Simla. It means that she is always the fastest in running. So she is always the fastest. Fast is the adverb. We add est to it in running. So this we give the highest degree. We don't have any other person who is faster than her. So we give the fastest. Not for all the adjectives, this est is applicable. So for the adjectives where the est is not applicable, we use the most. The is very important for the superlative degree. So we use the most plus adjective or the adverb. So the most beautiful. The same way we cannot add est to beautiful or est to useful. So instead we add most beautiful or most useful. So the is very essential in the superlative degree. The most beautiful, the most useful. Let us see the sentence. That is the most beautiful painting. So we are giving the superlative form, that is the highest degree, that is the best painting, like that is the most beautiful painting, and the is very essential. Iron is the most useful metal. So the most, it gives the highest degree, useful metal. Well, friends, this is the basic usage in the degrees of comparison. Let us learn to use the three rules of degrees of comparison in the next coming videos. Most of you might be very strong in grammar, but you may know someone who feels grammar very difficult and complicated. So please share this video to someone who might feel useful. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon and also drop your suggestions in the comment box. Thanks for watching.